Maribel, what is the latest where you are?
Hey, Nina, it's a very dire situation here in the Pacific Palisades. Just to paint the picture for you, it's a very surreal situation here. We are just steps away from the beach. We cannot see much because it's still dark out here, but you can hear the waves crashing on one end. And just steps away in the other direction, this picture, there's flames being put out here right behind us. We've seen some of them dying down, but others flaring up immediately after. This fire, the Palisades fire, burning at 5 football fields per minute, and it is 0% contained at this moment. Adding to the challenges, as you can see, are these wind gusts, these dangerous winds that have just continued throughout the night. And in fact, firefighters are now dealing with 2 additional fires due to those dangerous winds. The fumes right now feeling very heavy. The smoke is very strong. We have our protective gear on right now because it's just really quite impossible to be out here without them. Your eyes burn, and the smoke inhalation is definitely a concern. But here, tens of thousands of people have fled their homes. This happening since yesterday. We saw images of people abandoning their cars in the middle of the road to try to get to safety. So this is, just the beginning. Officials tell us that we are not out of the woods yet. This is 0% contained. And of course, with those additional fires now, those efforts are just escalating to try to get these fires put out.
Yeah, Maribel, we can hear and see those winds quite clearly. Forecasters, from what we've read here, are saying the winds are likely to get worse.
Yeah, and that is the concern, that the conditions these winds are going to continue until around 6 a.m. So this, right around a few more hours. And with the fires still not contained at all, the concern is that those winds could definitely pick them up and spread them into other areas.
Just in terms of context, have you ever seen it as bad as it is where you are right now?
Not for me. And we were here, it feels like deja vu, around a month ago for the Franklin fire, which affected the neighboring Malibu. But the flames did not get, where we were standing did not get this bad. As we were driving up, we saw it was just the sky looked red, even though it was pitch dark. So it's definitely a sight to see. It's dangerous, and it's a very scary situation.
Maribel, please do stay safe. Thank you very much for joining us.